Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to start our new coding journey. So here we will learn so many things. Like first we will learn about the JavaScript, then we will go with the HTML, CSS and bootstrap like that. Then after we will learn about DOM, which is document object model. And after that we will learn about data retrieval, and then we will learn about React.js. In this platform you will learn so many stuff, and you will be a job ready programmer, a front-end programmer within 6 or 7 months. And you will not get any certificates from this YouTube channel, but literally I'm saying you will learn something very efficiently. Okay, so first today we are going to set up our essential stuffs for coding. So let's go into the browser, and if you want this type of videos, please sure to subscribe this channel and hit the like button if you like this video. First go to your browser and search for the VS Code, and here you will see this link. So you can click on this link and you will be redirected to this page. Even if you are not able to do this, I will put the link in the description box. You will click on that link and you will be redirected to this page. Okay, so you can see here is the download button. You can download for the Windows. So if you click on download, it's going to be start. Here you can see it's downloading. So I have also downloaded VS Code, so I don't need to download this. But if you want me to show you how to install it, I can download, but I don't think you can simply download it and install it very easily, because there is no rocket science in that. So very simple process. You can double click on that application and click on next. It will be installed. After that, after the VS Code installation, you need to have download the Node.js. Node.js is simply, if you want to run your Java code in Visual Studio Code, you need to download the Node.js. So simply you can click here, and here you can see both two types of version, which is first one is oldest version and the last one is current version, which is latest features, and you can download any other what you want to download. So here is the minimum requirement of your Windows, which is 64-bit, and you can simply download it, and even this part is also will be installed very easily. So I don't need to show you how to install it. I think I know you people are very smart, and you can download it very easily and install it also very easily. So when you download the VS Code and install it, and when you download the Node.js and install both of these, you need to check whether your installed file are working or not. So you need to press on your keyboard Windows plus R, which is giving you this run command, and in this run command you need to search cmd. Okay, and now you can enter, and here you can search for the npm. Okay, npm and enter. If you are not seeing anything, that means you don't have. Let's take a look here. You will see here your npm is working. Okay, it's showing you some message that means it's working. Here you can see that version of npm. Okay, now you can check for the node, and also you can see here it's showing us the version, and it's showing us the program, the application has installed successfully. So if this part is clear, then we can move ahead. Okay, so after that you are set up your all essential stuffs for the coding. Now go to the VS Code. Okay, here I am creating a new file. So for this I am going to create a new folder, okay, for you people guys. So I can write it TechBuzz tutorial and here we can say I am going to, you need to create a folder, okay, and after that you need to open that folder in your VS Code, and you can create as many as you want, so many files. So let us see how it will work. Have a look here. This is your main page. You can create your new file, you can open a file, you can open a folder, so many things. You need to explore all these things, but those things which is essential for the coding and what you are going to learn in the next in the next 6 months, I will tell you what you need to do in the VS Code. So first you need to add some extension. What is extension? Extension is like when you use extension, your code, your efficiency of code, your writing efficiency will improve, and there are so many features that in that extension. So first one is, you can say it's Babel, which will run your this one. Okay, this particular one you need to install in your VS Code, this extension. And if you want to know about these things more, you can read it here some things here. They are describing themselves. Next thing I am not going to describe here, so you can read it a lot. Okay, so here next thing we are going to check for the ES6. Okay, you can see here JavaScript ES6 code. Okay, simply you click on it, and here you will find the install button. You can click on it, and this extension will be downloaded. Okay, so these two things I think for now essential for you. And one more thing which will run your code, which is I think Code Runner. That name should be Code Runner, I think. Yes, this is the Code Runner. Okay, what this is doing, it will do your code run in your output. Okay, you have multiple places to show your get your output and show your output, but for the convenient we can use this extension, and we can see our output in the output console. Okay, First we need to go here and create a new file. You can create as well as folder inside the folder, but I am going to create a file which is named as you can say what type of anything I can say here, tutorial tut1.js. okay, so anything I want to describe in the JavaScript, we need to learn so many things, but in this video you are set up all the things, all the stuff. In the next class you will learn how to execute your JavaScript code, how to show your output, and so many things you will learn in the next video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and bye bye, see you in the next video. Thank you so much.